Finally tonight, we have the story of an American woman who's doing something extraordinary in one of the poorest parts of the world. She walked away from a life of comfort, drawn to the extremes of human experience, and while testing her own limits, found a way to fight a killer disease. ABC's Mike Lee visited her in Uganda.
Okay.
Dr. Jessie Stone from Purchase, New York, gave up a medical career and moved here to the heart of Africa for something very bizarre. It's extreme kayaking, one of the world's most dangerous sports.
The feeling is like getting to dance with a very, very powerful beast. I left medicine because although I really enjoyed medicine and I loved the mental stimulation and the challenge of it, kayaking is my true great passion. You can harness this energy and use it to do incredibly fun tricks. And sometimes the flip side of that is incredibly fun tricks are done to you, not on purpose.
And something else threw Jessie Stone for another loop and changed everything. She saw mass suffering at the local hospital, children stricken with malaria.
In Uganda, it's the biggest killer. It's a bigger killer than AIDS here. And it's the single biggest killer of children under 5 and pregnant women.
Her instinct to save lives came rushing back. So now, living in a tiny shack, she leads 2 very unusual lives. Part of each day, she's an extreme kayaker, training to be a top competitor.
The hungry malaria parasite.
The rest of the day, Dr. Stone travels from village to village, teaching malaria prevention.
So you can actually save the lives of children under 5 and pregnant women by having them sleep under a mosquito net.
Her Soft Power Health charity has provided 7,000 families with nets at a fraction of the price they would pay on the open market.
Everybody is wanting a net, so there's a sort of a net panic going on.
Jessie Stone has also raised the donations to build this clinic, run by local doctors and nurses who specialize in malaria, AIDS, and other diseases. Wouldn't you rather be practicing in a hospital back home?
Absolutely not. No, I love being outdoors, and the fact that I can be in this kind of environment and also give something back to people around that have so little is much more meaningful to me than any work I could do indoors in a hospital.
An American who's found a way to save lives and follow her dangerous dream far from home. Mike Lee, ABC News, Jinja, Uganda.
Quite an accomplishment. That's World News Tonight for this Monday. I hope to see you again tomorrow night. I'm Elizabeth Vargas for Bob Woodruff and all of us at ABC News. Good night.